This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Let's do the cycle drain function. We're going to press these two buttons. On yours, it'll same as on Bosch, it'll say cycle drain. Press these together for about 3 seconds, and this should change to, I think, CL or 0. When you close it, it should drain. So we can hear it draining. It's doing pretty good. Looks like the tube going down to the disposer is clogged also, because you got this backing up. Yeah, there's a clog in there. Let me open that up. This is a pretty common problem we see with dishwashers when they can't drain. You get like a fish bone or something caught right here, and then it clogs this tube. Get that out of there, and it makes it harder for the machine to drain. But when you get a backup like that, it's actually not this tube, it's the bigger tube that goes down to the disposer is jammed. Let's put this back on and swatch it again. Yeah, so there's a jam down between here and the disposer underneath the sink. That's why you're getting that backflow. It's in this black tube right here. So we're going to see if we can fix that too. This may do the trick. We're going to try this one. Open this up. And this is going to go not in this middle tube, but it's going to go in the outside. That's going to go down into that black tube. Maybe that'll get rid of the junk, but this is not as long as the black tube's about that long. Tool's about that long, so we'll see. Sometimes you get some like fatty deposits coming out when you remove the tool. Yeah, pretty common. We'll test it. That might be enough. If not, we'll just remove that black tube and clean it from there. Let's do it again. So these air gaps are on a lot of dishwasher installations. Not all of them, but a lot of them, and it's a common place where the dishwasher gets jammed up. Alright, let's see if that did any good. That back on, get it tight, and close this, it'll start to drain. Yeah, still, and if that water's not able to get out. Yeah, that tube is just super clogged. So, to get to it, we're going to take it off from the disposer underneath. That clamp on this hose. I got a bucket here, so there might be some stuff that comes out of this when I pull it off. So yeah, see if we can get this hose moving. Because I got to take it off to get the clog out of there. There we go, starting to move. I think we broke the friction. Get it to drop into this bucket right here. There we go. Yeah, so there's just a lot of stuff got caught in there. I'm also gonna make sure this is, this is the one that's clogged right here. Okay, you can feel a bunch of stuff in there. So I'm just going to push that junk in all the way into the disposer. There it goes. That's all the way in. Look in there. I'm going to run the drain now into this bucket. That seems better. Tighten that up. Okay, I'm gonna set for a new cycle on the dishwasher. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Going normal. Let that fill up. There's that gross stuff that was caught in there. It's causing all the backing up while it was draining. Put this back on. So we have actually had two problems. Drainage problem due to this being clogged, and then circulation problem due to the impeller having broken off. And these are just normal things that happen over time. So this part's cured. Next we're going to go to replacing the impeller. That are nice and tight.